Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unblocking people you've previously blocked on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll be doing this on the web version of Roblox, but you can follow along using any platform. The buttons will be the same, however, they might just be in different places. Launch Roblox or head to roblox.com in a web browser and log in to your account. Now click the Settings button from the top right. If you are on mobile, get to Settings by tapping the three dots at the bottom right and then selecting Settings. From the Settings page, select Privacy. On the Privacy page, scroll down to the bottom and Blocked Users is the last option. Tap on the Show button to see the list of your blocked users. Simply click Unblock next to any username to unblock them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.